Okay. Hello there, so we're speaking about a pin bar. A pin bar is a candlestick formation which has a short body and a long shadow cast by this candlestick. A short body and a long shadow. Short body and a long shadow everywhere. The internal configuration, the relation between the body and the shadow with application to the trend gives one of the four types of the pin bar: hammer, inverted hammer, a shooting star and a hanging man. So let's have a look what we have in a downtrend. In a downtrend, if we have the pin bar with the long part with the shadow going down, that's a hammer, and normally that's a precursor of a bullish reversal. Now, if in the same downtrend we have the inverted hammer, meaning that the body is down there and the shadow is looking upwards, then it's also a precursor of a bullish reversal, but it's not so reliable in comparison to the hammer. So a typical hammer is more reliable than the inverted hammer. This, the second one, you need to verify. Now, with an uptrend we have the shooting star, which means the shadow is looking upwards, and that's normally coming before a bearish reversal. Now, the same thing with the inverted shooting star, which is normally known as a hanging man. So we have a short body and a shadow looking downwards. That's also a precursor of a bearish reversal, but the last one, the hanging man, also is less reliable than the shooting star. That's why with the hanging man you need to cross-verify it with other indicators and just make it more secure, you know. So these are the four candlestick formations which all belong to the section of pin bars. The main one is the hammer, which appears in the downtrend. Then with an uptrend we have the shooting star. Hammer and the shooting star are more reliable than their inverted counterparts, meaning the inverted hammer and the hanging man. That's it. Good luck.
Stay tuned for other titles in this series. They're on the way.